Hi children, today we will discuss about some irregular surfaces. I mean area of irregular surface, measurement of area of irregular surface. What is irregular surface? Irregular surface is a two-dimensional surface whose shape is uneven or not clear, not exact shape. It doesn't have any perfect shape. That is called irregular surface. Okay, we will discuss one by one. So, measurement of area of an irregular surface, flat surface, outline of leaf. See, take a graph paper and put a leaf on it. You try to make an outline of leaf and then try to count the exact squares. I mean complete squares. Okay, complete squares, count it, and then at the edges you are going to have half filled squares, not incomplete squares. You try to count the complete squares once and incomplete squares second time. So then you can calculate the approximate area through graph, but it is not exact. Okay, it is an approximate area. Okay, that will be what is known as the complete squares plus incomplete squares into half. So that is around 36.5. Likewise, you are going to calculate this irregular shaped objects. Complete square number plus incomplete square number into half. So you have to count all those things. Then you are going to get, this is the formula for number of complete squares plus number of incomplete squares into half. This is the formula in order to measure the irregular surfaces through graph. Okay. So next one, use it to measure the area of smaller leaves. Okay, for smaller leaves we take a millimeter graph which is equal to 1 millimeter square. So 100 small squares, that is equal to 1 centimeter square. So because 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters, 10 millimeters one side and 10 millimeters on the other side, 10 into 10 will get 1 millimeter, 100 millimeter square. Draw an outline of the rose leaf. So this is the rose leaf on millimeter graph and find its area in millimeter square. Also express the area in millimeter square by dividing the area with 100 centimeters. So if you divide, we are going to get millimeter graph. Through millimeter graph you are going to get the area, that is millimeter square. If you divide it with 100, you are going to get centimeter square. So the area of leaf in millimeter square is around 405. You are going to get what is known as 405 because the leaf encloses 405 squares totally. Okay, by using the formula that which I have told already in the previous slide. Okay, so 405 millimeter square. If you divide it with 100, you are going to get 4.05 centimeter square. So for 1 centimeter you have to divide it by 10. For centimeter square you have to divide it by 100. 10 into 10. Right, the next one is the objective questions. You are having few objective questions. In that the first one is amount of surface occupied by an object or a place. Or a place is called, what is that? Area. This is question number 1. The SI unit of area is dash. SI unit of area. Area will be meter square, square meters. This is 2. The approximate unit to express the area of 2 1 rupee coin. 1 rupee coin area. So it will be expressed in millimeter square, that is 3 millimeter square. And the area of banyan leaf be found to be using on the graph paper. It will be in centimeters. Okay. Alright. So approximate unit to express the area of 2 1 rupee coin. Okay. So area of the banyan leaf will be this is actually centimeter square, not centimeter. It is centimeter square. And the area of the state can be expressed in kilometers square, square kilometers. Okay. Likewise, you can solve this one. And you are having wrong, incorrect and correct statements. So what are those? The amount of space occupied by an object is called dash. It is called amount of not space, it is surface. Space, since it is a two-dimensional concept, it is not space, it is surface. So it is called area. SI unit of area is centimeter square. No, it is not centimeter square, it is meter square. The area of 5 rupee coin is best expressed in meter square. No, it is expressed in millimeter square. Already we have solved one problem before that. Right, millimeter square. 1 hectare is equal to size of a square having a side 10 meters. No, 1 hectare means 10,000 square meters. And 1 kilometer square is equal to 1000 hectares. 1 kilometer square is equals to 1000 hectares. It's not 100 hectares, it is 1000 hectares. Alright, so then multiple choice question. So what is that? A square board of 5 centimeter has an area whose side is 5 centimeters. 5 square will be 25. The answer is 25. Alright, the area of circle is given by pi r square. Okay, then pi stands for what? Pi stands for 22/7. A plot measuring 2 km length and half kilometer breadth has an area how many hectares? 2 into half is 1 kilometer square is nothing but 100 hectares. Okay, it is 100 hectares. And the area of irregular piece of card about 25 centimeter square is best to be found by using what is known as millimeter graph. Through millimeter graph we are going to find out 25 centimeter square. Likewise we can answer the bits, children. Okay, so try to answer. In future we are going to answer much problems. Okay, try to stay with our channel. Okay, and then subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. We shall meet in the next class.